answer session. And if time permits, and if you due to the some internet issue, if I am unable to demonstrate live, then we'll definitely go for the remaining time for wireless sensor network as well. So starting with the board, I'm sharing my entire screen. So I suppose my slide is visible and I am audible as well.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So this now come to the in the first half we have just discussed about the what is an Internet of Things, what are the the applications, what are the layered approach, how we can proceed for the application, and what are the different enabled technologies, and just little bit about the Industry 4.0. Now in the session we'll try to make up the one small interfacing with the sensors world and take the reading. So what are the steps how you can start the career? Many of us be familiar with this Arduino integrated development environment, but my point is to convey how to start and you can make the session interesting. So that's why I took this topic, and I'll do the justice for this session. So number one point is the what is the brain of IoT. So everyone know when we talk about IoT, so the first mind the question in mind is so we want to make one small application, and so what kind of board? So most of the people here is using the Arduino Uno board, and some of the using the Node MCU, and some of the using the Raspberry Pi. So there are the variety of boards is available, and many of times this depend upon the your applications, your data processing, your communication module, or you can say the communication technology. But the brain of this IoT system is, as you know, that is the microcontroller. And as we know, the microcontroller is just like the small computer which perform the task for. So it is just a small, you can say the integrated circuit, or you can say the small IC or board kind of thing. So point is that the basically when we talk about the board, the Arduino family is the huge variance in this. So a lot of application dependent boards is available in Arduino environment, and if you go to the online, even though you have the all the components in available in Amazon as well. So you can start the small application with the under the 1,000 rupees, and you can start doing the programming as well. So no need to require any prerequisite for making this practical. That's why
So what
the
is
school
happening?
level
No?
student
Sensor
is
nodes can be
also
either thrown in
using
mass or placed only one by one
the
in sensor
Arduino
kit.
board
Okay, so
family.
sensor nodes, how you're
But the
deploying
point
the
is
sensor
that
node
you
one
don't
by one, or
the
you're
expert
in
in
a
the
mass,
programming
how
part
you're
of this
picking.
particular
So
ID,
after
because
post
all
deployment,
the
what you're
codes,
doing,
all
topology
the codes
changes
in
are due to change
the
of
next
node
slide when
position,
we talk about the
reachability,
internet
available energy,
development
malfunctioning,
environment,
and
and I'll
task
show you
details.
the
Okay,
how
so you have
you
already
can
implemented.
use
Suppose
this
I
codes
want to
and what are
use
the
some high
inbuilt
number of nodes
examples
in a particular network.
available
So I have
in the
deployed the
development
nodes.
environment.
After that, what are
So
the challenges I'm
my point
feeling?
is you just
See, if the particular node is
focus
having some
the
particular
application part
occupancy,
rather than
so
the
what will happen? Some
proficient with
data
the
cannot be
programming
reachable.
part,
So I
because
want
all
some
these
adaptive
stuff is
part. I
available,
want some
and you
energy to be
just make a
enhanced, so it is
product, not
malfunctioning.
the
So that
exam.
part and
You
all you
have
have to
not
go
given
for the
any
post
exam onto
deployment. So
this.
there are
You
three
have to
types of
develop your
deployment.
own
for each phase,
code and
like
products.
pre-deployment,
So my
post-deployment, and
request
again
is the same time
redeployment.
is you
So
just
if you're feeling
go to
that
the
which
any
particular place
repository
you
like
have
GitHub or
used
the
and
Arduino
some
Central,
additional
and
sensor nodes you
you can
want
just
to
take
use,
the
or you
code,
have to
one
enhance
onto
the
your board, and then
energy
start
part
working
of
on
that
it.
particular node.
So commonly
you
use
for the
Arduino,
redeployment.
and
Okay.
but the
So
problem
now
is
we are coming
when we
for
compare
the
these
cognitive
boards,
radio based balance
there are some
Okay.
trade-off
So
between.
topology directly affects the network lifetime in WSN. Okay. So based on the optimum
Trade-off between
topology
board,
design, you can identify the
and this
lifetime.
board
Okay,
is
how long
basically
effectively your wireless sensor network
the
is
trade-off in
working.
terms of
Okay.
your
So
processing.
depending on the
There is
application, wireless sensor network may deploy statically or dynamically. So this
So
one
am I
also I have
audible, or
discussed
there
previously.
are
We
some?
can use it statically, but if you're using statically, you don't have flexibility.
At the
So
same
all
time, I
each and
request
every
please.
time you have to come, you have to change your IP, you have to change your position of the nodes and all
Sir,
sensor
clear, sir.
nodes, and
Continue,
then you
sir,
have to
please.
proceed. And that is too tedious. For small network, it is okay, but when the network size will be going higher, so that time it is so difficult. Okay. So in any type of WSN, hardware failure is the common due to hardware malfunctioning and energy depletion. The topologies for CWSN may be same as conventional. So it is not like dedicated topology we use. We can use the conventional topology also with some modification, but they are prone to change more frequently than ad hoc CRs. Okay. So you know already you've gone through ad hoc. So therefore,
when we
you
talk
will
about the
have
Arduino
some
environment, Arduino board, it
to
is very
establish
simple.
this particular.
It is easy to integrate very good
So next
integrated development
for
environment
CRWSN, you
like
are
that.
having
But when
this
we
topologies and
compare
all.
with the
One is
Raspberry
like ad
Pi,
hoc
the Raspberry Pi having
CRWSN
it's a very
clustered,
powerful board.
then heterogeneous
This
and
board you can install Ubuntu.
Okay. So
Even
what
you
is
can
the
run
ad hoc network?
as an
Then you
operating
see
system.
this is the
So that
one
is very
very
small
popular
board, but you
diagram
can
which is taken from
incorporate
the net.
one
So each
entire
and
operating
everybody, if they
system,
want to
and you
tell
can
ad hoc, they will talk for this.
say that
So in an ad hoc CRSN
it
node,
supported
send the
the
readings to
variety
the
of
sync in
software as well,
multiple
and in
hops
this open
in
source
an ad hoc manner. This
IT environment
topology
you can
imposed
work on.
less communication overhead in terms. So
Sometime when
what
we
they
talk
want
about
to
the
tell
Node
is
MCU, it's nothing but it is a very
we are doing some kind of broad
kind of,
testing
you can
part.
say,
Okay.
the very
So
small
some of the
Arduino
node,
ID
they're just when we
kind
are
of board.
doing
But
the broad
the
testing,
beauty
some
of
of the
this
nodes
board
they're
is
entering
it's
the
equipped
information
with the
and which particular node is adapt for that
What is it?
particular information.
ESP8266
That
is nothing
particular
but it is a
network will
Wi-Fi
respond
module.
you for
So
this.
this
Okay.
small
There
chip,
are lots
because
of
if
hidden
we
terminal
compare with
problems
the
are there.
Arduino
Then
Uno,
spectrum sensing.
you have
So
to put
beginning itself,
the
we are telling if
extra
you're going to implement
communication
the cognitive radio part,
device
so
or
you have to
interface
sense the
extra
spectrum,
communication
you have to sense the channel.
device.
So this
But the
part
Node
and all
MCU
will be
equipped with
having difficult things for
the
always.
Wi-Fi module, so
Okay, next one is the
communication
cache tree.
capability
Okay.
are
So
inbuilt
it
in
is
this particular
essential to
board. So most
designate
of
a
the
common
students,
channel to exchange various
when
control
they make
data.
the
Okay.
small
So
minor
common
project
channel,
in your
various
subject,
control data means
they
the
prefer
spectrum
to use
sensing,
this
then
Node
spectrum
MCU
allocation, then
rather
neighbor
than
discovery, then
some
maintenance.
other
So this
boards.
is one of the
And
channels
then
that
when
is
we
known
talk
as
about the
maintenance channel. Okay. We are having
high-end board
normal
like the
data,
ARM
that is
processor
separate.
or
Other
the
than these,
Texas
some
boards or
control
DSP
operation
boards,
is required.
so there
Okay.
are a
So
variety
for
of
CR,
board
that
is
is the main
available.
big
So
challenge
my
for
task is once you
cognitive
develop the
radio network.
interest
We
for
need to have
particularly
some kind of network which will
IoT
give you some kind of
applications,
spectrum
and then you
sensing.
slowly move
Okay,
up.
so
As
for
I
that
told you,
sensing, if your
the first
control
half
signal and
presentation,
your
you
data
just
signal all
take one
same
sensor,
channel we are sending is, it will
take
not
the
be
reading
separable.
in
So
your
you know
system
that
with
for
the help of
microcontroller around
any
we are
board.
having
This is
3
your first
different
task.
buses.
Then the
Okay, you are
second
telling
task
no
is
data bus, address
you
bus,
give
and
the
control
command
bus.
to,
So
from the
likewise,
system,
you just think it.
take the
So for
reading
control,
of the
for
sensors.
cognitive radio
That is the
implementation, we are
query-driven
having
approach.
lots of different
Third one
parts are
is
there,
then
different
if we
angles are
slowly
there where we have to
once you
use
take the reading,
control
you
signal.
can
See,
instruct to
very
any
vital
of the
parts are there.
device,
Spectrum sensing.
or
Without
operate
sensing
any
the
of the
spectrum, how
device
you'll
with
understand
the help
that
of
this
same board.
particular channel
So
is
slowly on you can
then
top up
spectrum
the
allocation.
application
Now
onto
secondary user is going
your
to come in the
board,
spectrum of
and
primary
then you
user.
can make a
Now
prototype.
need to
Not
allocate some
directly jump
particular
into the
spectrum.
you can
Then
buy
neighbor
10, 20
discovery. So who
sensors,
is there
2, 3,
nearby?
4
These
boards,
also want to come.
and
It's not
just
necessary that only one secondary
connect
user. So
and
therefore,
one go and make a
you
product.
have to
So
make it
it would be
separate.
very
So these things and all required.
difficult.
And finally, you need to
To
have
make that
the
kind of product.
information of maintenance
So every
also.
step required is some
Okay.
kind of
So therefore,
the
class
knowledge
two
which is
architecture is an
required.
appropriate choice
So
for
that's why
effective
I'm
dynamic
emphasize
spectrum
the
management.
small
So the word
portion
dynamic again
of
you
that
note it down,
particular
the word dynamic. Okay. So dynamic means again it is like
Arduino Uno and Node MCU
whenever
board.
it is necessary, we can change.
So this is the brain of the IoT systems, and then
Next
this
one,
is
here one very good example I'll
figure.
give, because here also one project I've done. The work is like one research work is there. What we have done is is
see that
like
the
heterogeneous hierarchical So you just think like some overlapping layers,
Is it-
like you just take from the mobile generation 1G,
This
2G,
is,
3G, 4G,
you know,
5G.
Arduino
What I
Uno
have
board,
done is
and
I
I'll
have
probably
calculated
can,
mathematically
demonstrate
what is,
the
suppose
one
you are
or
having one 1G
two
device
practical
and
onto
2G, 3G,
this.
4G,
So
5G.
so the
Like that one, some five devices are there, some 5 different technology. What we have to do, one device to another device. See, since you are
So this
having
Arduino
5
Uno board,
different
if you look at the
generations, so this is a
carefully, the how
heterogeneous
many
circuit.
grounds,
Okay.
if you look at
If you
it,
are
so
having
there are
all
3 ground
devices in 5G
pin.
or all devices in
And
4G, then
the,
what you can do, you can tell that's
it
a
consists of
homogeneous
analog
hierarchy.
pin,
But if you're having like
digital
one
pins,
1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G,
ground,
now what I'm doing,
serial
I'm finding
communication
out the
port,
handoff. Suppose one particular
inbuilt
mobile that
LEDs,
is in some particular
right?
device
Hard
that is like
reset,
in 1G, and you
and
can ask me then
the
now we
power
came to 5G, 4G, we are talking about now we are
port.
talking about 1G.
So if you
See,
look at one
research
by
is
one,
always about
so
learning.
on the,
So
if
until
you
you are
start with
learning
the,
the
on the top
backward
of this
forms,
board
it is
in
not
the
at all
top
possible
left
to learn
corner,
the advanced version. Okay,
there
always
the
you have to start
recent
from ABCD
button,
only. Directly you can't do
and
anything. Okay, now I born in 2020, so I
the red
learned
color.
the things what is invented in 2020 is not at all possible. Okay, you have to come through all previous
You
things
can
and
just
all.
directly
Or
write the
maybe
pin
the
number,
thing will happen like
right? So
you
these
will
are
get
the
more advanced.
digital
That
pin.
is only
Now
the
my
difference
question
between
is, if you
can
if
see
you
now it is
differentiate
some
the
little
in the
some
below,
children also they are using
if you
Zoom
look
and
the below
things and all.
right
That
corner,
is their
there are the
advantage,
analog
but is
pins.
not
So
at
there are
all
the
like
6 analog
without
pins. If you look at
learning
it
the
carefully,
numbers or
A0 to A5.
letters
So
they're
this
coming directly to the
A
technology.
is
So
not
that is not
instant
possible.
for the
Okay,
analog.
so you can
This
try
is
this
basically,
project in such a way
this
like
is the
you
pin
just
number
take
which is in
some
the terms of
architecture
hexadecimal
1G, then
code.
2G,
What do
then
you mean by
3G, or 3, 4
hexadecimal code?
architecture to
That
get
means the
together.
address
Then
of
you
this
can
particular
calculate
pin is
mathematically the hands
A0.
of
What is
time.
A? A is nothing
Okay,
but
then you can send some packet in
in
that,
this.
and you will see that very
In
nice.
binary,
Actually,
you
this
can
one I
write
have done
10,
as
1
my
0
one of
1
the
0,
research
and
work.
then the
So
4
in
times
that
0.
I have seen
So
like
this is
how
the
to
nothing
control
but
the
your
handoff. So you
the
will
pin
get,
address
I
and
mean,
the
when it
hexadecimal
will be a
format.
homogeneous
So that's
network,
why I
you
tell
will
you,
get less difficulty.
in
So easily
digital,
you can
can
change your
directly
handoff
use,
time based on different metric. But when it is
right?
coming
But
for the
here
heterogeneous
this
network, that
analog
time it is
pin
too difficult to
having the
calculate the
hexadecimal
parameters because
address,
lower end
and then
always having,
the
see,
same
higher end
analog pin
having
you
lower
can
compatibility, but lower
also use as a
region, I
digital
mean,
pin.
if 1G
Second
don't have
point.
any kind of higher
Now third
compatibility.
point
So
is on
what
the
you have
top
to take, you have to take the
right
basic function,
corner, there are the
and
two
you
pin
have
that
to,
is the
I
serial
mean, the basic
communications
things first you have to
pins.
implement,
So
incorporate for
one is for
all the
transmitter pin
generation, and then you have
and
to
another for
receive.
the
So
receiver
that
pin.
when practically
So
you are
if you
doing
look
only,
at the
you will feel
center,
the
there are
difficulty.
transmitter
And
and
here it is
receiver written
better
it.
if you are
That
going
is
for
the nothing
analytics.
but
Okay,
this is the
always I'll
inbuilt
prefer for
LED,
any
which is
design, for any
this is
research,
the
you
nothing
first
but
have to
it is
go
the
for
inbuilt LED.
review paper. That is the
The
most
transmitter
urgent
and
thing.
receiver.
Second
One
thing, you go
LED,
for
this
analytics.
on is
Okay,
written onto
don't
this.
directly come for
That is for the
simulation.
board
It will
power.
not help you
It is
to
the
do
board
good
power.
research.
Whenever you provide
Okay,
the
you go
board
for
power,
analytical part,
so
you
I'll
design it. So
demonstrate
here
this.
for
Whenever we
heterogeneous,
provide
you just which algorithm or which particular operation you want to use for that particular
so whenever
operation.
you
How
decide the
many? I mean, what are all the mathematics are there behind?
so
First, you
this
solve
green
and
color light
program
come
is
into
very
the
easy.
picture.
Just
That
that
the nothing
particular
but this green color
mathematical
light
term,
is
you just implement in your
power
design. Okay, that's it. And if you want to make it
the
attractive,
pin,
so
and
you
then
can
the one
add
more
some
L
animations and all. That's it.
LED is
Okay,
there. That is
so
the
main
inbuilt
thing is you
LED,
go
and which is
first review, then
inherently
you go for
connected to
analytical
the
implementation.
pin
After
number
that, you go for
13.
simulation, then hardware.
And why I
So
am
this is
the
the
stress
core
on the
hierarchy
pin number
which one I can
13
tell
because
you
if
have
you
to follow
put
for
your
research.
LED,
Okay, so here
one
also
positive
heterogeneous
terminal or any
hierarchy
of the
means
digital pin and one
heterogeneous is 1G,
negative
2G,
terminal is
different
connected
devices.
to
Then
ground,
hierarchy
you
means
have to
after 1G only
insert
2G
it one
came, after
register.
2G only 3G. Like this particular
But
hierarchy is there.
the pin number 3
So next
having
one
the
is the
internal
mobile
resistance as well, so you can directly connect it to
So
the
mobile
LED on the pin
mobility
number
of the
13 and
architectural
ground
element.
in my
So this
next
one actually
presentation
then another
when we
particular
talk
aspect. So you can
about
add
the
some
blinking
kind of
LED
dynamic
program.
spectrum management,
Right.
which is
Then
possible for
if you look at
this
it, this
cognitive
particular
radio network. So this mobile particular
tab
availability
from
and
this
giving some
and
kind of
if you look at
mobility.
the
And due to
these are the
mobility
two
also,
power
you will have
port
lots
is
of
there.
different
One
kind of
is
issues.
for
So you
USB
have
Type B.
to
Type
take
B
care
is
of
nothing
that
but it
particular
is
issues
some
also.
different cable.
Okay, so
Micro V is the different when we use in the
topology based
Samsung
research
or
issues.
Mi
That's
mobile.
first one is the
That
CSN
is
node
a different
development.
one.
So
But
hardware,
it is a
software,
Type
where
B
you have to
cable,
put the what is the
little bit
efficiency
thick.
of the nodes.
So
and
that is
how
connected to
cost-effective
the
way you can
board.
go for the
That is
cost
connected to
reductions
board.
and nodes.
Also,
That
when
are all
you
the things
do
you
not
have to
connect through
identify.
USB,
And you have
there
to go for
is
the node deployment
the
strategies.
DC mail
Okay,
jack
that are
portion.
also
DC
repeatedly I'm
mail
telling,
jack
like
is also
node
available
deployment
when
means
you
you
run
have
the
to go for
standalone this
different kind of
board
network
without
coverage,
using
how
the desktop.
the
So
coverage is
if you
happening,
give the
how much
power
spectrum
through
is utilized.
desktop, you can use the
For that,
USB
what
type
is the
B.
power consumption,
If you
and you have to
independently
analyze
give you
all
the
the
power,
practical
you can
efficient
use
effect
the input supply
deploy the
DC
nodes.
mail
Okay.
jack.
And
Apart from
finally,
this, if you
you
go
will
to
have
the
the
bottom
spectrum
of
aware
this,
clustering for
so there are
applications
the
requiring cluster-based
when we
and
connect the sensor,
hierarchical
requires some
CRS
kind
technology.
of
Okay.
power.
So dynamic
Power
spectrum
supply.
aware
So you can
group
take out
formation.
this
So
power
dynamic
from this
range,
particular
how to
board.
implement
So
that
this
particular
Arduino
nodes.
Uno
What
is
do you mean
capable
by
to
dynamic?
provide the
If I
two
want
different
that my
supply.
network
One
should
is
be
for
dynamic, what are all the
output
parameters we
voltage
have
for
to
3.3 volt,
identify?
and
So
another
these are all
one
the very
is for
broad
5
area
volt.
of this
So
particular
this is just
research.
overview of
Okay,
the
so
small
along
board,
with
and
this,
here
the
this is the
theory part I have
microcontroller
completed.
attached.
So now you will
into
see
it.
the
If you look
point
at the carefully, you see
simulation.
the
So that one
Atmel,
already I have
um,
recorded my
micro
own voice, and
controller is
that things I'll share with
onto
you.
this
Then
particular
after that, again
board.
I'll
And
show
this
you
cost
in
is
between
not
some